This time I'm getting a great response, like much more responses from the first season because Suchitra ma'am, Priyamani ma'am, she doesn't talk to him. I still used to reside in Delhi, but now I'm in Pune. Yeah,
Pune. Okay,
I
fine.
live in Pune. You can say that because I'm the only person who has nothing to do. He goes to his classes, then he returns home. The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends are at the table doing shots, trip fast, we talk slow. I just wanna say, please watch The Family Man too, or instead I'll come to your house and play some stupid trumpet.
V4U மீடியா நேயர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட யார் இருக்காங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have அத்தர் from the family man series. So வேதாந்த் சின்ஹா, நிறைய பேருக்கு அத்தர் என்ற ஒரு கேரக்டர் மூலமா தான் தெரியும், but he is actually வேதாந்த் சின்ஹா, the future starன்னு சொல்லலாம். So welcome to my show. Hi அத்தர் உர்ஃப் வேதாந்த். How are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm
Everything
doing
is
good.
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also perfect.
So congratulations on the success of your show.
Thank you so much.
Tell us about the response you've been receiving for your character yet again after season one.
Yeah. This time I'm getting a great response, like much more responses from the first season because you know, Manoj sir's working somewhere. He's working in an IT company, and Suchitra ma'am, Priyamani ma'am, she doesn't talk to him like that much. So I'm the only person who actually bonds the family together, and I have some funny scenes like I'm hypnotizing dogs. I'm hypnotizing my father, my sister, many things. Yeah.
So I'd like to ask this first thing. Before I could go with the questions, let me just tell the audience listening to this conversation. இது வந்து mostly லைட்டா இங்கிலீஷ் கான்வர்சேஷனாக தான் இருக்கும் பிகாஸ் வேதாந்த் இஸ் ஃப்ரம் த நார்த் அண்ட் அவருக்கு வந்து நம்ம தமிழ் லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியாது. இருந்தாலும் அந்த சீரீஸ்ல வந்து அவங்களோட அம்மா சுசித்ரா ஷி ஹேல்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த சவுத், பட் பாவம் நம்ம வேதாந்துக்கு தெரியாது. ஸோ வி ஜஸ்ட் மேனேஜ் வித் இங்கிலீஷ். ப்ளீஸ் பேர் வித் அஸ். அண்ட் ஈஸியாக தான் இருக்கும், ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாலாம் இருக்காது. ஸோ தயவு செஞ்சு கொஞ்சம் புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. யா, ஸோ மூவிங் ஆன் வித் த கொஸ்டின்ஸ். வாட் ஐ வாஸ் சேயிங் தி ஆடியன்ஸ் இஸ் லைக் சின்ஸ் யூ டு நாட் நோ த லாங்குவேஜ் வில் பி ஹேவிங் திஸ் இன்டர்வியூ இன் இங்கிலீஷ். So that is all I was briefing them
Okay.
up with.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I just wanted to know how old is Vedant in real life?
I'm 13. Yeah, I was
Oh,
born in 2008.
okay. So you're officially into the teenage league, is it?
Yes, I'm a teenager now. But Atharv is, I think he's 9 or 10 years old.
Correct. So tell us about the few common qualities of Atharv and Vedant. How similar or how
Yeah,
different are they?
yeah. So the first thing is that I love instruments and Atharv also loves instrument. Yeah. He always irritates his sister. I do as always. Yeah. That's similar actually because most of the younger brothers or elder brothers do that. And one thing is that he's kind of a mischievous boy, like not that much, but he does what is called like funny mistakes you can say. I also do that kind of mistakes. My mom always forgives me because of that, because I always make my parents, my brother laugh, like due to this mistakes and all that stuff. Yeah, that's the similarity between me and Athar. Yeah.
Okay, and a difference is how different are you two, the two characters?
Yeah, age difference and thinking, because I'm a teenager and Athar is just a small 9-year-old kid. And one thing is that he loves music, but I cannot, like, he can play music, but I cannot play music instruments. Yeah, because I only learn guitar, uske baad se to I don't know anything. Yeah, that's the, difference between Athar and me.
So I thought the difference between the two, I think Athar doesn't play his music instruments that well, but I thought Vedant could
Yeah.
play his instruments to know
Yeah, I
the
can
best thing.
play well. Yeah, I can play guitar really well. Yes,
Okay.
I post my videos in YouTube, like my me playing guitar and all. Yeah,
Nice. And
yes.
apart from your acting skills, I even found a few amazing dance videos of yours. So tell us about your
Yes.
tryst with dance.
Yes, so my first passion was dance. I got into acting before that. Like I was a dancer before, and I train as a professional dancer now also. So I just record my some of the choreographies, which is taught by my amazing mentors. So special thanks to them. And yeah, I've been taking training like from many mentors like Ashley Lobo, Shamak Davar, and all that.
Lovely. So I wanted to interview you already in the first season itself, but I thought let me just wait for
Yes.
season two because you have a lot of scope to perform. And I really wanted to know how did you land up the role of Atharv?
Yes, so I was in Mumbai and I got this call from Vaibhav Vishant. So he was his Mukesh Chabra sir's, you know, senior casting director, and he was like, he casted me for the role, and so my audition was the first audition, which was sent to Raj and DK sir. So they were like, "Ki, let's watch a few more auditions," and they watched 15 auditions, and they were like,
Oh my
let's
God.
get back to the first kid only. So I got the role by that, and thank God that I was in Mumbai. I used to live in Delhi before. Yes, so I got this role when I was in Mumbai. Yeah.
So you've shipped base to Delhi, I mean to Mumbai, or you still reside in Delhi?
I still used to reside in Delhi, but now I'm in Pune. Yeah.
Pune. Okay, fine.
I live in
So
Pune. I live in Pune.
okay, and the role that you had played Atharv. So did
Yeah.
you audition for the character with lines in the series, or you had to come up with something on your own? Did you come prepared
No,
with?
it was yeah. No, I did not have to come prepared, but because I have got the lines, and the lines were, have you seen that Makhan Chor scene? When I get out of the car and say, "Oh, Makhan Chor." So
Okay.
that was the scene which I auditioned it, because it was my first scene with Manoj sir and Dhriti. So yeah, I auditioned that part.
And comparing your character to season one and season two, what I'll just tell you the response that was here down south. Many found your character to be that annoying kid in the household. Oh my God, he talks so much, and he's such an annoying kid, roaming here and there, and annoying his sister. So that was the feedback that we received here. So how was it for you? Were people pissed off with your character? यार ये बच्चा तो
No, they
बहुत
were
ज्यादा ही बोलता है, something like that.
no, not like that, but they were like, you are very naughty, and I have this line that I am not a kid anymore in this second season.
Yeah.
So I say that, and also you can say that because I'm the only person who has nothing to do. He goes to his classes, then he returns home. और उसके बाद he is khali. He does not have any work. So he
Hmm.
irritates his sister, his father, his mother, and yeah, that's how his time spends in this house.
Hmm. And my mom loved the dialogue of yours, Ma, don't brozone me. So that is something very, very connected to the Gen Z, the current generation.
Yeah, because this was the scene with Riya, if Sharat sir's
Yeah.
daughter, who's playing Sharat sir's daughter, and Suchitra ma'am, Priyamani ma'am said that this is Vedant Bhaiya. So I said, Mom, don't brozone me. So that was the line.
So does
Yeah.
that happen in real life with you? Does mom introduce you like this is Vedant Bhaiya, something like that, and you like, Ma, don't brozone me. Do you still have that?
Nahin, because no. So I love being called Bhaiya because I love to be the eldest one, but I am not. I'm the second eldest one, and because most of the people are like younger than me, so they call me Vedant Bhaiya. So yeah,
So you're fine with the Bhaiya tag.
yeah, I'm fine. I'm not at third. Mom, don't bruise on me.
Nice, that's nice. So, have you ever felt that how I wished I had a sister like Dhruti in my life?
Uh, Yeah, I too have a sister like Dhriti. Like she's also, the same age as Dhriti, but she's like Dhriti. She's not stuck into the phone. She always studies a lot.
Oh my
And yeah,
God.
she spends the time with me, or like most of the time with me and his like her parents, because she's my cousin sister. Yeah.
Okay. And Atharv actually blackmails his dad. Agar if I shouldn't leak out this secret of yours, you'll have to buy me this latest model, this laptop or something, or a pizza for me. Why only for my sister and not for me? So, do you do that in real life as well?
No. If I
You're a
do that, my parents will scold me a lot. They are here and they are listening
okay.
all the thoughts. Because if I blackmail them, then it's kind of serious thing because I can't. I'm a
Oh
fairy.
my God. So you are actually quite different in real life when compared to your on-screen character Athar. So how challenging was it to play someone that isn't you?
So it was kind of not me, and it was me, if it makes sense, because he's energetic, and I'm also energetic on shoots because I keep all the energy saved, and yeah, he does the same kind of mistakes or the same kind of mischievous things, that I do when I was 9 years or 10 years old, because at that time I was not that mature. Yeah,
Okay.
so he's just like that. Yes.
And tell us about your first scene in the series from season 1 and season 2.
Oh. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So my first scene from season one was that I was eating idlis, and then Dhriti just passed me like her idlis to me because I love idlis at that time, and Suchi was Priyamani ma'am was just saying that तुम लोग को बाहर का खाना ही पसंद है, कचरा खाना दे दोगे तो फिर तुम लोग खा लो. I was like, I'm not big out of fight. I love idli Suchi, and Manoj sir comes and he says that can I bring a sandwich to Dhriti? So Suchi was like, तुम ही बिगाड़ते हो इन सबको. So that's when I say, I think, yeah, that's when I say I'm not big out of fight. I love idli Suchi, and then she leaves for his office.
So this was season 1 and season 2.
Yes. Yeah, season two, I think it was the school one because I was like just playing trumpet, and then principal says that Arthur was showing his school gadgets to everybody in the school, and he's feeling very like he's like very energetic and he's very restless. Yeah.
So season 1 had you eating idlis and season 2 had you eating dosa, which you would really dislike.
Yeah, because at that time there was a feud between Manoj sir and Priyamani ma'am, like in the scene, not in real life, of course. In the scene, yeah. Then I was like, "Ki dosa nahi khana," and when Priyamani ma'am glares at me, I'm like, "Okay, I'll eat that," because there's no option. You have to eat that only. She can't cook like anything else. You have to eat dosa. Yeah.
So what are your favorite South Indian dishes? Have you
Yes. I
tried
like.
tasting them?
Yes, I love South Indian. So dosa is one of my favorite dishes, and then you can say sambar, chutney, and then idli. I think vada is also because I love that donut shape kind of thing. They're circular, so it's very it's very interesting. Yeah.
Okay, so since Suchitra, Priyamani ma'am's character, she hails from the south, you had this cultural diversity within your family. So north versus south,
Yes.
and you had to balance
Yeah.
between both.
Yes, yes, because Shrikant is from Kanpur, and then Suchitra is from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and yeah, it's yeah, I have to balance between both of the cultures. Sometimes I'm with South Indian culture, sometimes I'm with North Indian culture, so it's completely balanced. Yeah.
Yeah. So you call Dhriti as Akka, which is a Tamil word. So did you
Yes,
happen to
yes.
pick up a few more words from the Tamil language while shooting?
Or no. I could not like actually hear any Tamil words or learn any Tamil words. I was like I just learned I think akka, and then yeah I just learned vanakkam. Yeah.
That's it.
Yes.
You
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
you didn't take up an effort of acha, okay, I'm into this shoot, let me just
Oh
try
yeah.
learning a
I
few
I
lines.
I learned I learned also apriya and poda. Yeah. Apriya and poda. Manoj sir used to say apriya and poda.
Okay, so you just got it from him.
Yeah. So, but Priyamani ma'am was like we used to talk in South Indian language, in Tamil language, to Raja and Dekesar because they both are South Indian, right? So I could not actually understand what they are saying. So yeah, but Manosa used to say only two words, Apriya and Poda, Vanakkam, and some other word I forgot. Yeah.
So you have an idea of what it actually means?
Yes, Apriya means aisa kya, Poda means go away, Vanaka means hello, and Akka means sister.
Lovely, lovely. So within a short span, you picked up a few words and you know the meaning of it as well. Very nice.
Yeah.
So have you
Yeah.
ever felt like learning a new language? And if so, what is
Yes.
the first thing that you would like to learn from a new language?
The first thing I wanted to learn the basics because that is the only thing by which you can get most of the language. I was learning German and now I'm learning French. I know German really well. Yeah, I can speak it.
Wow, that's great. So Athar, he is someone who does not like going to school, like most of the kids around here.
Yeah.
But how is
Mhm.
Vedant in real life? How do you juggle
I
between
love.
shoot and school, your curriculum?
Yeah, now before that, when I was shooting, when the coronavirus was not there, I used to get my work from friends, and school is the thing, by which everybody can help you. My teachers used to help me, the principal or my friends, they used to send me all the work so that I can cope up with the syllabus. Yeah.
Okay, and
They,
how did your friends react to your character from the series? Were they like bullying you, or they were like cheering you up, or how was it?
yeah, they were cheering me up as well. Most of the people are cheering me, and some friends was like कि you अभी iPhone नहीं चाहिए तेरे को तू बहुत छोटा है अभी ठीक है because at that time I was like 11 or 12 years old when I completed the family man. So yeah.
So lovely. And tell us about one incident that was so memorable to you while shooting the series.
The most memorable thing, yeah. I used because I was, like, I was what, 10 years old, yeah. So I used to go all like I used to go to the Manoj sir's vanity, Priyamani ma'am's vanity, and I used to talk and play games with Manoj sir because Manoj sir used to call me in his vanity every time after shoot, and I used to say him bye. He brought me many things, many special things to eat, biryani and all that. Yeah.
So, what was that one thing that you really got to learn from your real life parents? That is Suchitra
Real
and
life.
Shrikant.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So, one thing I got to know about Suchitra because, I wanted to learn Tamil language. So she says Tamil languages, and I can understand a bit of that, as I said before. And Shrikant, because, my parents are from Bihar, so I have this kind of Bihari accent. So, Kanpur is something like which is close there. So, yeah, that is the thing which I learned from Kant, that
Okay.
accent, the way he speaks, his body language, he thinks like, that agent, the raw agent or task, and how task speaks and all, yeah.
And do you take, quite a number of retakes, or you are a single take artist? How does that work for you?
See, nobody is a single take artist. So even, the biggest actors take, two or three takes, even 10 takes they can take. I can't say myself, single take artist because, yeah, the time I got it in two or three takes. Yeah, single take was like a bit rare, but it happened. Yeah, 10 takes, though it happened only once or twice. Yeah.
Okay, and a particular scene that you were quite hesitant to, perform for some reason or so.
I think that serious scene in which season two, where Akka and Priyamani ma'am start fighting, and then I come there, and it's kind of a bit serious there. So I have to say my lines in a bit frown voice because यहाँ पे Athar तो is very energetic, even in the sad moments he's very happy, but now he's kind of sad and he's in a crying mood. So that's why.
Okay. And you had mentioned earlier that you play the guitar. So do you even sing
Yes, yes.
while playing the guitar?
See, I'm a very bad singer. ठीक है, I don't sing at all. ठीक है, my voice you can actually hear because my voice is not that pretty good. But I can play guitar. I just sent a video to Raj sir and all that. By like me playing the guitar and yeah.
So can we have a live session of you playing the guitar now? Is that possible?
Okay, let me just bring it. Let me just bring it. So I just like only happy birthday because I just learned that because I used to learn guitar I think 4 years ago. I can sing some English song if you want. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Can you just count because I'm getting a bit nervous because I'm a really bad singer. One second.
You want me
Yeah.
to give the count?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends are at the table doing shots, looking fast, and we talk slow. And he come over and start a conversation with just me, and trust me, I had a chance. Now I took my hands up, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. Now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab out my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow Mali. Come on now, follow Mali. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with the body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with the body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with the body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Yeah.
This was awesome, Vedant. Are yaar, you sing so well. You could have asked the creators to just include your singing bit in between, no? Instead of you playing the trumpet or something.
Yeah, I would ask Raj sir, but yeah, yeah, without me playing the instrument, there would be no memes and like all those
वो
funny
भी है.
stuffs and all.
Maybe
So
season
special
3.
thanks to Raj and DK sir. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Season 3 is coming. We are looking forward to season 3 as well.
Yeah.
Maybe you could just include
Yeah.
your new talent into this and irritate Suchi and Shrikant even more.
I can. I have to ask Raj and DK sir if they are doing that.
पूछने में क्या जाता है? You can just give them a small lead. So maybe I can include my singing talent in between.
Yeah, I and Raj sir think about that. Raj will think about that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I was even surprised by a performance in The White Tiger. Right after,
Oh, acha, you saw
no,
that?
yeah, right after seeing you as Atharv and then watching you in White Tiger, it was too contrasting, and I then realized that you're such a wonderful actor. मतलब छोटे से
Yeah,
उम्र में you perform really well, so you have a long way to go.
yes, I'm sure, because I've not done that much of work. It's only been 3 years. Yes, yeah.
So thank you so much, Vedant. Thank you for your time. You shared a lot of interesting facts with us. I'm sure the audience would have enjoyed listening to a conversation and wishing you a bright future ahead with regards from Team B4U Media.
Thank you, everyone. Special thanks to you. Special thanks to Raj and DK sir for creating this awesome series. Yeah.
Anything you would like to tell the audience over here? Something from your side? Because they would like to hear what would
Yeah,
Athar tell them. Yeah.
yeah. I just want to say, please watch The Family Man 2, or instead I'll come to your house and play some stupid trumpet and you'll get blown up. Okay? Please watch that. Otherwise, I'm coming. There's no lockdown for me. I'm coming. My father works in a task company, so he can punch everybody. Remember that.
What a fantastic way to deliver that to the audience. That was least expected. Thank you so much, Vedant. Thank you once again.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye.